after having a good weekend cutting right away. Went up to the OSR, which is overstory removal. Brush, brush, brush. Had a cedar kickback right off the bat yesterday. Squished my foot. And it hurts. It's not broke, everything moves, but it's not very good. So back to the OSR today we go. Dangers of cutting. Well, this is OSR. This shit here has been logged. It's just terrible. That's what we're logging. Do all this brush. Yarder broke today. Damn radiator blew. Got it out and they're going to get it welded up. I'm cut up over there. Probably ain't gonna see it, pretty glary. But anyway, I'm gonna go cut right away for a day or two and give my foot a chance to heal up a little bit better. Yeah, I stopped here. Nothing today. Looks like something's been digging around though, so probably more skunks, I don't know. Anyway, we'll worry about next day. I just went and got tires ordered, get new tires on the Chevy, go from there. Well, I reset them two and these four in here. Left them two alone. Need to bring back some bait. I think we're just down to skunks, and more skunks kind of suck. I don't really want skunks, but get rid of whatever's eating all the chickens. So alrighty, looks like we're good to go again. Go another round or two. Well, Tara and I got packed in here this morning. She come help me pack because I have a sore pawpaw. Kind of messy on this part of the right of way, real messy. So get started. We got a couple thousand feet to cut here, then another 700 feet down below. But get started, go from there. Fell down, put a hole in my gas can. All kinds of fun this morning.
All kinds.
Well, cutting this right away, it's terrible. Massive deadfall, snags. Then it goes down and around and made a giant fish hook down here. And for those of you who don't know what a right-of-way is, I'm cutting it 60 feet wide, possibly wider. And they're building road. Got two big hose and a shovel and a processor and a cap behind me. Got 3 guys behind me on them machine, changing off on them machines. So anyway, back to work.
Okay.
Well, change of chain here. It's pretty crappy right away, going slow. Got a hole in my spare gas can, gotta find one of them. It's not a very good day. And I was wrong, I don't have a sore pawpaw, I have a sore hoof. So that'd be it. All I got to say about that. Well, we didn't get as much done as I'd hoped, but that's okay. We got 800 feet, but what a fight. All this blowdown. some reason it leans back on over here. It's same facing the same as all the other good stuff I cut. A lot of wedge beating today. I'm not used to that. I don't do that much. So anyway, we are out of here. Go get some bananas at the store and drive up to the other job and talk to Jerry Nicholson. Hopefully see what's going on up there. Probably end up working one day this weekend after I get the camper towed up to the elk camp to get all this done. They got a new hoe they want to put in on another spur, so get it done, then they'll be out of my hair for 3 weeks. Tara's overdressed for this weather. Well, our urban trapping caught us a house cat. So we're gonna release it, and I won't reset these traps here. Gone. You're gone. Well, that was an easy release. Got traps in the pen here. Got the fence kind of tore down. I pull them all sometime next week when I go back to cut for the yarder. Need to be catching no house cats, so care if we catch skunks, but need to make the neighbors mad. Well, just got a set of Nitto Terra Grappler G3s over here at Mike's. Hopefully the Chevy lasts long enough to wear them out. I don't know. Just talked to Pert too. He said he had them on a Tundra. He liked them. They flung rocks. But over here in Princeton at Mike's Tire, good deal. Good price. Got them done. Ready to go. Little update on the leg. It's doing pretty good. Getting more movement in it every day. It doesn't really bother me. It's still swollen pretty good, but be alright. I got it hurt in the OSR Monday morning, which is overstory removal. It's been catlogged a couple of times. And now we're going in with the yarder and cleaning out the overstory, which is usually like a 9-inch DBH. Anything in that and bigger you fall. 16, 18-inch cedar kickback. Obviously, I couldn't get out of the way, and it hit me. So, but then with the urban trapping, I run offset jawed traps, and we unfortunately caught a house scout there today. Released it. It was unharmed. It took off running just fine. You can see in the video. You know, that happens, but we're about done there anyway. And got some new tires on the Chevy today over at Mike's Muffler and Tire in Princeton, Idaho, and I'd like to give a shout out to him. Thank you very much. It was a good deal, I thought. $1,270 for tires. So, and then after that, we're gonna work. And on Sunday, we're gonna get the campers up to Elk Camp. That'll be interesting on that old rough road. I have a pretty good video of that. Go from there. So, all right. Thank you.